What's going on, guys? It is nighttime here, but we're shooting another video. And what we're going to take a look at today, if you remember in an older video, we actually did a catch can install on the 2014 Silverado here. So it's probably been on here. Sorry for the lighting. Like I said, it's nighttime, as you can see out there. So we're dealing with the lighting that we got here in the shop. But as I said, we are going... In a previous video, we did a catch can install, and it's probably been on there a month and a half. I'd say I've got somewhere between, if I was going to guess, 1,000 miles, 1,200 miles since I've even looked at the contents of the catch can. So I thought we'd do that today with my handy little light here and take a look and see what we've caught. So what I'm going to do is I just changed the oil on the truck today, and that's what made me think to check the oil catch can. Realistically, you should probably be checking it every time you fill up with gas. But I just want to see what we got in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this water bottle. It's empty here. I'm going to cut the top off of it so we can pour the contents in here and peel this label off so we can take a look. All right, label off. Cut the top out. Perfect. All right, so hopefully it'll hold it all. So now, let's take the actual catch can off. I don't even need my little light. Go ahead and unscrew it. There we go. Holy cow. Look at the gunk on the dipstick alone right there. Man, I think I'm going to set you guys down real quick, and I'm actually going to take the dipstick out with it. That smells good. All right, this is what we're dealing with here, guys. This may make a believer out of me. You want all that stuff being burned off in your engine? Coating the back of your valves with carbon? Man, look at that mess there. Delicious. I'm going to set this off to the side for now. Let's go ahead and see if we can pour this in here safely. Oh, man. Look at the crap in there. Now I've got it all over the side of my can here. I need to clean that up, clean the dipstick up. So let's just do that real quick. Dipstick, can itself, which, by the way, this was sent to me by AddW1 themselves. I'll leave a link down in the description for this exact can right here and to their website. And yeah, so this right here is my first actual change, if you will. You can see that stuff's pretty nasty, guys. I think I'm a believer in the catch can now. You know, this stuff basically, what it does is it keeps it from, it just reroutes it and catches it in the can itself so it doesn't get burned through your engine. And like I say, this stuff, had we not caught it, would have been burned through the engine, and carbon deposits would have been put on the back of the valves. Where on these new engines, GDI, direct injection, so the fuel injector actually injects fuel directly into the cylinder, so fuel can't wash the back of the valves, and you get this crap built up on the back of the valves. So what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to take it, and let's just kind of pour it out so we can look at the contents. We'll pour it out in our pan here. Let me open it so we can make sure it drains okay. I just did an oil change on the truck today. That's why this looks so nasty, and I never cleaned the top. Let's just kind of pour this out and look at it. Oh, that's awful. You see some of the thick stuff in there? Here, let's see if you can hear it. Now that's just some glue from the inside. Don't worry about that. Just some glue peeling from the inside of the can. Some of that looks, that's a little bit of that's water, but you can see some of this stuff. It's actually oil that it's caught. Man, I like it, guys. I like it. All right, well, once again, thanks to AddW1 for sending this over for us to install on the truck. Check out. I'm going to go ahead and put the dipstick back in there, just like so. I'm going to clean it off again real quick while it's in the engine bay. And then let's go ahead and put the catch can back on there. Pretty good product, I gotta say. Get it nice and tight back on there. Perfect. And just like that, we have emptied our catch can. I mean, it really is that easy, just taking it off. This guy's also got a drain plug on the bottom, so I could have taken that drain plug out, caught it in the bottom here. I thought it was just as easy to take it off, honestly. But yeah, that's everything we caught, guys. Guys, thanks for checking out today's video. I know it's kind of short, but I did want to show you guys what I caught in the oil catch can. See if it convinces you guys to buy them or not. I think it's worth it. Well, that was a fun little experiment for this time. I may do one another video just real quick to see how much crap we actually catch in between filling up the tank, because this truck I filled up literally yesterday. So I may do another video to see how much you actually get in one tank. Like I said, that was between 1,000 and 1,200 miles. So if you were to empty it more often, you're going to catch even more. All right, guys, until the next video, take care.